Hey everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we're going to be making temporary tattoos using our home printers. We are going to be comparing side by side using the regular inkjet printer and the big fancy laser printer. The instructions state to mirror your image. Then you print it out using the recommended settings that come with your temporary tattoo. Already seeing the side by side here, you can see that the laser printer did not make the pink in the marshmallow little candy here as vibrant, but you can also see that there are streaks in our marshmallow candy using the inkjet printer. Moving along via the instructions, we have to cover these sheets with the glitter clear coat. This is the coating that will actually pick up the ink and then go onto your skin. We're going to start off using the inkjet printer first. Now you'll also be able to see when we're doing the side by side that the laser printer sheet is a little bit bigger. The image is printed out just slightly bigger. So that makes it easier for us because then we can really compare them and know which one it is. This is actually my first time using this, so I really was surprised how sticky it was. You have to peel off the corner before you coat it using the shiny side on the top, covering the printed image. And just a little bit of that stickiness got on my fingers and it felt like straight slime. I was really surprised. I was not expecting it. Kind of shocked me there. But it's totally normal and it is necessary. You can see me kind of like, ew, what is this? It's very gooey, slimy. But that's okay because it's part of the magic, we'll call it. Yeah, it's part of the ink grabbing magic. So next step is just to slide this down and you're covering it. Just like if you were making stickers, if you're familiar with making the Cricut and the stickers and the vinyl, you have to do like the laminate covering. Pretty much the same process here. You're printing out your, we'll call them stickers, covering it with this protective layer, smoothing it out, and then you're just cutting it down to size. The instructions do say to take a ruler to smooth out any bubbles. And this is an important step because you want to make sure that that ink and that image is really adhering to the glittery cover. So if you have bubbles, obviously it's not going to stick and then it's going to mess up your really cool tattoo. Now that we have finished with the inkjet copy of this, I'm going to just repeat the same exact step using the laser copy. So I'm going to kind of fast forward through this. There's no point in sitting through it once again. Again, I have that stickiness on my finger. It's a little weird, but it's okay. I'm so used to having the slime in the house from the kids anyway. So yes, long story short, we're just going to repeat the same exact process, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the laser printer, using our ruler to smooth it out, and voila. I really didn't think this through because usually when you have temporary tattoos, like the ones you get at kid parties, they're usually just cut in little squares. Well, big brain me decided to cut around the actual image. So I'm trying to do like a butterfly shape here. And I really didn't have to do that. I could have just cut little squares and done little boxes, and I could have squeezed a lot more onto the sheets. So you want to remove this clear film, put it onto your skin, hold it there for 15 to 20 seconds, and then you can remove that papery copy that is on the top. Once you take off that final cover, you don't want to touch the arm for 15 minutes. So where it is, you really want it to dry to get that adhesive to stay onto your skin, and you want it to dry. So 15 minutes, don't touch it. Seriously, guys, you can already see how awesome is this. Look how vibrant those colors are. So remember, the small one is the inkjet, and then the bigger one is the laser printer. So just using a regular inkjet printer, wow, holy moly, these are amazing. Now, my daughter did say that it does have kind of like a weird texture, feels like almost like a band-aid on her skin, but it's been 3 days and they're just as vibrant as the day we made them.